Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by reducing sources of vibration and electrical noise. Place the Xbox on a firm, level surface and remove USB drives and external HDDs so fans don't ramp up searching. Plug the power brick or console directly into a reliable wall outlet. Once done, use the controller or console front button for a soft start. You do this because immediate peripheral load and poor power can trigger loud fan spin or coil whine, so eliminating them now prevents noisy startup. Once the system is up, go to Settings and change power mode to energy saving when possible. This limits background wake-ups that spin fans. Then adjust audio output. Select Auto Detect or set a compatible sample rate to prevent audio hardware resonance that sounds like coil whine. Make sure you install the latest console and controller updates, because firmware often smooths fan curves and power management. You do this to slow fan spin and reduce electrical noise at the source, not just mask it. You finish by confirming airflow and isolation. Reorient the console so the exhaust faces open space and leave at least 2 to 3 inches clearance. Vibration transfers to the surface make noise louder. Add rubber feet or small isolation pads to decouple the unit from wood or metal shelves. If you still hear loud fan or electrical buzzing, swap the power cable or brick to rule out PSU issues. And if it persists, note whether noise is fan-based or coil whine before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.